All right, good morning. Today is September 6th. Right now it is 9:17 in the morning. We got 13 more minutes till the market opens. And the only thing I trade is US30, so that's what we are going to be looking at right now. Right now we can see here on the daily, we're just on a downtrend. Um, Monthly it's looking bearish, weekly's looking bearish as well. Might have a little bit of we hit the support over here, right? You can see the support. We could see some retracement. That's a lot, but we could see some little bit of retracement before we go back down. I think next week is CPI news, so maybe it could go bullish and then continue on the downside, but we'll see. Daily right now, there's not much movement, pretty much on the doji. 4 hours, so the 9 a.m. candle, it closed below this resistance, below the support slash resistance. So we could possibly go down, but you can see as we go down around this area, it's just choppy, it's just messy, not nothing of my interest. But I would like buys to be above here if we get a nice close above by 9:30 or even 10 a.m. There are news at 10. I think it's ISM numbers. Otherwise, I feel good to just continue with the trend and just go to the downside. But we'd have to close below, and we can see here there's some clean candles to the left with some rejections over here. But that is enough amount of pips, I think. Yeah, 122 points, pips. So we could be, those are my two trade. But right now we're just in consolidation. Maybe it's waiting for the news to pop in or the market open, which is in 11 minutes. And then 30 minutes. You can see how clean this is. This is going to be very nice if we can just fill, even just get up to here. For how many points is that? 72 points. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good trade. Right? Obviously, we're trying to get maybe 350, which probably unlikely, but we'll just see. So right now we're just consolidating. Nothing here really going on. You can see here on my MT5 is right now this is a 15-minute time frame. Um, nothing's nothing nice is going on. Today I'll be using magic keys. It's what I use all the time to manage my trades. I have to put scale fix. Yep, scale fix. Show trade. Okay, show trades. Good. All right, good. So, I mean here, right? I love magic keys. You can see it as I decrease my risk, my lot size goes up to a maximum of 2.5% is what I'm risking per trade, 500 bucks. Right? So right now I'm just gonna transfer those zones on TradingView onto MT5 and then we'll resume the video. All right. So here we got 30 seconds before the market opens. Remember the 4 hour, this is a 4 hour chart. It just flipped bearish, right? It was a fake out. So basically this is gonna go all the way back down. 1 hour's strong bearish movements, but we still got no closures. Even if this breaks this low over here, I'm not gonna take it. I want a nice closure because this thing ain't moving. All right, here we go. Market has opened. It's pulling up. Can take sells, can take buys because the previous 30-minute was a strong bearish candle. And it wasn't even that much to be honest. We moved on. Oh, 100 points. Still good, but look at this. Look how messy it is. Right? We ain't gonna take those kind of trades. Right now it's going up. Probably gonna flip bearish. Maybe by 9:45, 10 o'clock. It might close around here, right below that zone. Right, and that's because we got news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. So we're just gonna watch this. See my blueberry markets up there on the top. Honestly, right now, this might be a no trade day. Ready? Ooh. It might be a no trade day, which is perfectly fine. All right. So there's no trade. I'm gonna just pause the video and wait till we get a trade lined up. All right, so this 15-minute candle, go to MetaTrader. 15-minute candle basically closed right at the support. Thing basically closed right at support. All right, now it looks more like this market might actually just drop. We got some news coming in. Okay, let's 15-minute. All right, there we go. So there's no closure below this. Honestly, this thing could look like it'll go like this. And if it moves, I'm perfectly fine taking that, missing out on this. 50-point risk, let's say 60. Just because we don't have a 30-minute closure, it's been ranging, right? I mean, look at this. Right there, I would have been filled. I gotta wait. I gotta wait for a closure. And in the 15 minutes, we got the 1 hour closure. So just looking at this, the 1 hour already dropped 225 points. From the 9 a.m. closure, it dropped almost 300 points. It's better to just wait. Wait to see this 1 hour closure happens. And if it shoots all the way down, that's perfectly fine. Do you think that we're gonna fill this? We're gonna fill this one right here, this wick. Especially if we break that. 15 minutes is gonna be a long time. So just sit and wait. If it moves, it moves. It's all good. But at least here, I could see what would have been the potential profits. Right now, it would have just been up 10, 15. Looks good, but I want that closure, especially a closure below this red line, because that is thing here. Right, just like that. That lowest wick, right? So it could be respecting that, and maybe here for another 50. But we need some volume. If it drops, it drops. But I see the pressure. I see the pressure on the bearish side. It's looking pretty good. Ooh, there you go. 2130. Pretty nice. Broke it. Alright, we're okay. Ain't nothing gonna happen. We're gonna take nice clean trades. That's the plan for September. So looking at final services PMI, it was negative 43.7. To be honest, I don't know what this means, but above forecast is always good. Above 50 is good. Economic health is what this shows. That's all right. And my goal for September is to make more than 1%. Let me just load up my FX books. I actually use Blueberry Markets. And with indices, And gold, there's no commissions. Taking a bit too long. Anyway, it's here. But if I show you the history, load up. Commissions, zero. Zero commissions. And all I trade is US30. Zero commissions. So, there you go. Why this is taking forever. Wow. Just looking at the market, it's dropping nicely. Right now about 50 points from my entry. Pretty good. It's all good. Here. 48, 45. This thing from the entry. There you go, 50. Yeah, it hit like 56, 50, 55 points. Right, it's all good. We ain't here to take those type of trades. I'm looking for a better confirmation. That's what I want. I want nice, clean, easy trades. There's momentum, I would say. You know, we see it here. We see it here. So at this moment, since I saw 55 or even 60, I would have closed 75%. Yeah, 56. It's gonna tap 60. I would have closed 55, 75% of my position. Probably would have made like at least $200 or something. But oh well. Okay, here. So here on my FX books, see, does it say live account? It doesn't say if it's live or not, but it is. Look at my monthly. May was amazing. And then now I'm just slowly going up. 1.1107, 1.12. So trying to get back to like have nice consistency. But overall chart's growing, so can't complain. There we go. Definitely hit 60. Would have been nice. See now the way for me to catch this, I saw it happening. Did a nice candle flip, but no closures below. I could have risked half, like 1.25%. If it happened, would have made some money, but it's okay. I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. and see what happens. All right, news in 30 seconds, 10 seconds actually, but I don't know. I got no setup. We got closures below, but it already filled that wick there, and like it don't make sense for it to wick fill this. It's just risky. So Nothing. I don't think I'm gonna take a trade. Okay, numbers are good. You can see it here, 56.9. Nice, well above the forecast and better than last month's PMI. So let's see what setups I just let's see. Right now I'm just thinking if I take a trade below that wick, which is around here. You got some consolidation here. Probably looking like 80, 60 points. We could fill that wick. 20 points, I think. That's what it is. Anyways, it filled the wick, broke it. Just not my setups. I mean, look at that. No upper wick, it filled the wick. 80 points. Yeah, 85 points, even more right now. It's pushing. Even if I took a trade below the wick, 50 points profit for 100-point risk. It's just not my day today, which is okay. I didn't lose anything, so it's all good. There's a lower wick. I think if we go to the 1 minute, this sub was like that. 127 points, but where's your risk? No setup. When I look at any time frame, it would have just been that wick fill, which isn't. I don't have practice on. I don't have data on, so possible, but it was something like that. It's all good. Pretty much, I think the day's done. Risk like 100 points. Fill that wig. I would have. Maybe I should have done like half risk. It stops above here, right? Made sense. Instead, it moved 150 points. Yeah. This low, it dropped 84 points. Yeah, so looks like a no trade day today. Tomorrow, nothing happening tomorrow. So, not much happening tomorrow. We got nothing really happening tomorrow. So we'll see. Could be a slow week. Yeah. Next week is much more stuff. PPI, CPI, or retail sales. Looking good. Pause it. Right. So here on the 30, it might break below. There's some nice momentum. What I am scared of is it might just bounce off, go all the way back up. I mean, this 4 hour candle, is it at a 4 hour strong support? You could just fill that wick, which is still pretty decent, right? Pretty decent to fill that little wick over there. Um, 30 seconds. Watch a 30-minute. Back to MT5. See, I want this to close. I want this to close below, which it's not doing. And at least play this one for 86 points. But it's not going to happen. So, there you go. Right? This would have been my play. Let's see. This is 38. We'll do like 35. That was a low. 39. Yeah, we'll do 35. Stop loss will be the high of whatever candle this is. Right now, you can see that's like a 1 to 1. But we close above. We close above the support, so not in much happening. Might as well wait for the 30-minute to close outside the zone and confirm it, but this would be my trade if it wants to continue bearish. Ultimately, huge ass take profit down here. 300 points. I don't think that will happen though, but let's see. So, all right. So I think basically the day is done. Not much happening. This is 30-minute time frame, and it closed with a long lower wick. There is potential that this might actually flip bullish, breaking the previous candle high, but we need a 30-minute to close bullish, which it did not. This could basically go up, and even watch. I bet in the after hours, or not even after hours, when I'm not trading, it's gonna fill this whole thing. It's all good, right? I mean, when you look at a 30-minute, there's really no nice setup. It's just choppy. Right? The only trade was probably down here, right around here, but other than that, there's nothing really. It would have been risky trade, so pretty much done. Right. Try again tomorrow.